Hello everyone, my name is Jamin and I have this Usecase smart glasses on me. Today what we are going to do is we are going to scan through some documents, especially with table formats, and upload that document to Hana store and take it further for formatting based analysis on top of Hana available text analysis use case. So as you see on the screen besides me, here is where you can see what I can see through this glasses. So the streaming is on, and we also have a small application built in this, which will then take an image of the desired document, do the trimming and image processing, basic image processing of white spaces, etc., and send it across on my Hana cloud. And then the use case will follow further, which I'll take you through. So for now, if you see on the screen, what you can see is this particular table structure over here. And now this is Atlas Copco compressor information, which has characteristics mentioned like speed, rated power, and the models GX5, GX7. It has multicolored, multi-line approaches, and this will now I will try and send it to my Hana cloud with a particular app. So I click and it should have gone through Hana. Okay everyone, so as we saw, once we captured the image from our Vuzix, or for that matter any other resource or document store, the table is now uploaded to my Hana document store, so it's available on my Hana. And as you see, this table format has multicolored line and some empty lines and etc. What we are trying to do is we are trying to do a search on such a document format, or a documents which has some segments which has these kind of table extraction for this particular use case. So for example, I want to search all the documents where rated power is a particular value, right? So I take you to my application. So here it says it is trying to find rated power as 7.7, and as we see, the document that we have uploaded does come up, and it comes up because it has the mention of rated power, and it also has the mention of 7.7. So even though if we do normal OCR and upload such images, or if the PDF consists of such tables, it is still a problem. It's not a context based search, so you will get thousands of documents with not relevant information. So now, if say for example I activate formatting extraction and I do search with the same string, now I do not get any data. So now for example, let me do rated power 7.5 and then search with formatting extraction. Now I get set of documents again, and say for example when I open up this document, I see that the rated power, actually the rated power 7.5 is mentioned for two of the equipments here. So this is just one kind of use case. We could actually also search rated power with G equipment G star series and give me 7.5 or something else. Now, how did we achieve all this? So what happened is that this table was first converted using for this use case we used Abby, or it could be any other engine. It could be Perspective or homegrown Tesseract application, where it gives us the technical formatting context like block type, and it gives me row, column, etc. So this is the information that we use, and we create the knowledge source out of it. So we use graph. People using Facebook APIs would be very comfortable understanding what graph is. We have graph store in Hana, and this is how we convert the relationships between these formatted objects of a document, which is then used for knowledge base for the search. So for example, this document representation of this small document would be that it has related objects, which are these, which are nothing but equipment. And if we remember from the image that we saw, there were two documents which had, say for example, these are the characteristics that are available in the document, and then these are the values for that characteristic. So for example, let's pick up the related power for GA7 compressor in this context and see that it also has rated power as 7.5. And if we see some other equipments and their rated power, it would be also mapped here, so we can use that also for search. So not only those are the values of the rated power, but also the characteristics. So give me all the equipments which has a specific power requirement as characteristics mentioned somewhere. So we can do those kind of searches and build this knowledge source, and this could help us do semantical searches over and above what HANA text analysis gives us. So that is it about the demo. By the time the demo jam day, we would also prepare other use cases like font size based tag clouding approach, etc. So hope this demo is good for you. Thank you.